Long ago in the city of Shushan, there lived a kind man named Mordechai. He cared for his niece Esther. Mordechai and Esther were Jewish. In Shushan, there was a king named Achashverosh, who needed a new queen. After searching far and wide, he chose Esther, who was not only beautiful, but also kind and clever. Esther moved to the palace to become the queen, but she kept her Jewish identity a secret. Meanwhile, there was a man named Haman who worked for the king. Haman was unkind and didn't like the Jewish people. He plotted to harm all the Jewish people in the kingdom, causing fear and sadness among them. Mordechai sent a message to Esther asking for her help. Esther knew she had to be brave. She prepared a special dinner for the king and invited him and Haman. During the dinner, she told the king that she was Jewish and revealed Haman's plan to harm her people and asked the king to stop him. The king was shocked and angry. He ordered Haman to be taken away and punished. Then the king asked Mordechai to take Haman's place, as Mordechai was known for his kindness. The Jewish people were saved, and Mordechai became an important advisor to the king. ומרדכי יצא מלפני המלך בלבוש מלכות ועטרת זהב. ומרדכי יצא מלפני המלך והעיר שושן צהלה ושמחה. ליהודים הייתה אורה ושמחה, אורה ושמחה וששון ויקר. ליהודים הייתה אורה ושמחה, אורה ושמחה וששון ויקר.